Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. So, what do you usually do in a typical day?
Well, in the morning, I usually wake up, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I have breakfast.
That sounds nice. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal with milk and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I also have toast with butter and jam.
That sounds delicious. After breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I usually go to work. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in an office as a receptionist. I answer phone calls, greet visitors, and help with administrative tasks.
That sounds like a busy job. What do you do after work?
After work, I usually go to the gym. I like to exercise and stay fit. I spend about an hour at the gym.
That's a great way to stay healthy. What do you do in the evenings?
In the evenings, I like to relax and watch TV. I also enjoy reading books or listening to music.
That sounds like a nice way to unwind. What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed around 10 p.m. so that I can get enough rest for the next day.
That's a good routine. Well, it was nice talking to you about your daily activities. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. And stay tuned for our next video coming up soon. Stay tuned for our next video coming up soon.